To view your Google Analytics Universal Analytics setup, start by signing in to your Google Analytics account. Once you are logged in, select the website or property you want to view from the drop-down menu at the top of the page. Next, navigate to the Admin section, which is located at the bottom left corner of the page. In the Admin section, you will see 3 columns: Account, Property, and View. Make sure you are in the correct property and view for the website you want to analyze. In the Property column, click on Tracking Info and then Tracking Code. This will show you the tracking ID and the tracking code snippet that you need to install on your website. The tracking ID is a unique identifier for your property and is used to collect data from your website. To view your Universal Analytics setup, click on the Property Settings link in the Property column. This will show you the basic settings for your property, including the website URL, industry category, and reporting time zone. It is essential to ensure that your Universal Analytics setup is correct to get accurate data and insights from Google Analytics. Make sure to test your tracking code and verify that it is working correctly by checking the real-time reports. Best practices for setting up Universal Analytics include using the correct tracking ID, setting up goals and events, and using filters to exclude internal traffic. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your Google Analytics Universal Analytics setup is correct and provides valuable insights into your website's performance. Remember to regularly review and update your setup to ensure that it remains accurate and effective. This will help you make data-driven decisions and improve your website's performance over time.